Have you been wondering how Ngor is being processed? Have you been wondering what it is made of? And have you been wondering how and where it can be made? Well, let me show you in this video how you can process Ngor from scratch to finish using just 2 items. Yes, you know, in agriculture, I keep saying nothing is a waste. Sit tight, guys. Let me show you. As you watch through this video, please don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, and share this video for any others to see and learn how to make this local Ngor. Okay? First of all, let me tell you what Ngor can be used for. In Igbo land, Ngor can be used to make different things. Of which many food bloggers have been also using Ngor to cook their spaghetti. But originally, we use Ngor to make nkwobi, to make Abacha, to eat cocoyam, eat yam, and ona, and many other things. Ngor can be used for. Importance of Ngor or benefits of Ngor to your system can never be overemphasized because they are naturally made, and with the things they are made of, you will know that this thing is really healthy. Forget the way or the local way it's being processed, but at the end, what you are giving to your system is healthy. We'll start by getting our plantain peels. This Ngor can be made with plantain peels and head of palm kernel. I don't know what to call this in English, but in Igbo language we call it ishaku or avrevaku. You can use this as is seen in this video to process the Ngor with the plantain peels. After extracting the palm kernels from it or the palm fruit from it, the next stage is to sun dry it. Keep it for at least 48 hours or more if during dry season, and if not dry season, just keep it till it's properly dried. And also that of plantain peels.
Watch this video, learn how to process Ngor.
Done removing the main palm kernel from the head. The next stage, stay tuned.
There's no sun, no?
I know. Are you wanting to do so? Tomorrow, pick all this nylon on the floor. Put up sizzling nylon. Or the manana because it doesn't decay. This is the second day. I came to check on it. Please, when you are sun drying this, make sure you keep it in a very safe place where animals will not have a bite on it or, you know, lick it up, as that won't be healthy at all. Because I know we are in a very dry season. As at the time I was making this Ngor. So this is me coming up to take up the already dried plantain peels and of course the palm kernel head to proceed in making my Ngor. Guys, once you do things during dry season, they are very, very fast and it's always sweeting me. While growing up, I used to see my mom prepare this, but I never knew it's that simple. So as an adult, I made it on my own and then decided to show you my lovely friends over here so you too can know and understand the process of making local potage, of which is healthier than using the industrial potage in making your nkwobi, ishewu, bomo, and the rest of it. Okay, if you're still watching up to this time, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Of course, I show you nice things and awesome recipes in this channel. Don't forget also to tell me your thoughts in the comment section. Have you ever tried making Ngor before? What method do you use? Have you tried it as an adult? What do your parents use in making Ngor while you were growing Ngor? You have to place it on top of something, as we are placing it on top of this zinc. So I place it on top of this zinc in order not to accumulate too much sand, dirt, and debris. You understand? So try and get something iron. Don't place it on anything wood though, because it will also get burnt. Get something like zinc, or maybe clean up a very well cemented area and then burn the two things, just as you can see in this video. Sorry, come out. Because you don't need to do me too much. The next step is the burning stage, where you allow it to completely burn into ashes before proceeding to the next stage. It's how much in Nigeria? At the point it has started burning on its own, I will have to remove the woods. That is to make sure I'm not burning something else other than the things I'm supposed to burn. Okay? I'll go ahead and be turning it into different places so it can properly burn. Because my friend, if you leave it like this thinking that it's burning, somehow somewhere it's not properly getting burnt. So you need to keep turning it, turn to this left side, turn to the right side till you are sure everything is completely burnt into ashes. As you can see in this video, then please allow it to properly cool off completely before we proceed to the next stage. It has properly cooled off, just as you can see, and that is the reason why I can touch it with my bare hand. And this particular one refused to get burnt to ashes. Nevertheless, we are good to go. Guys, at this point our potage is very much ready. Our Ngor is very much ready. The next step is to package it, or rather transfer that into a very clean bowl. You know, when you are doing things that you will consume, please ensure you do them with a very clean things, or in a clean environment. Okay, that's one of the advantages of doing things by yourself. Guys, our Ngor is about 70% ready. Then we proceed to the sieving stage. I sieve it because, of course, using fire to burn stuff can make it have some lumps of charcoal or kind of debris and dirt in it. I needed to sieve it, which I'm doing right now. If you sieve this, it will come into powder form and you are sure of what you are consuming. As you can see, this is the smooth part and this is the palm kernel shaft that we are not able to go off while trying to extract the palm kernel fruit from its head. We are good to go. Do you know how to process this? Do you know how to turn it to proper Ngor for your Nkwobi, Ishewu and the rest of it? Guys, I saw a video of someone who made spaghetti with Ngor, and I said I will be giving it a shot in my next video. Of course, with my self-made or local made Ngor, I'll be trying that spaghetti recipe with Ngor. I'll be rest assured that what I'm taking is very hygienic and very okay for my system. Go ahead and package it in whatever you have to package yours with. You can package in a nylon, ziploc, or even in a plastic container. That will be fine. At this point, this can last up to years without getting spoiled or having muco because it's properly dried. Okay, if you're still watching up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment your thoughts on this process in the comment section and also give us a thumbs up. Okay, so for me to make my ishewu, I will have to first of all take a little quantity of this my powdered Ngor and pour into a very drinkable clean water. Mix it properly, allow it to settle, and then sieve out the upper clean part of it, which I will be using with red oil to make my Ngor properly. As you can see, I was done transmixing it and then allow it to settle. This is about after 4 to 5 hours. I'll come in and then sieve it. I double sieve this method, which I didn't actually show on the camera, so please you can use the double filtration method to avoid sand entering into your food. Okay, at this point, this is me mixing the Ngor water with red oil to get my ishewu or nkwobi base. Please don't forget to comment, like and share, or tell me where you're watching from, so I will give you a shout out in my next video. I think that would be awesome. I'm sure this video will also help you to learn how to make ishewu or nkwobi base. If you're trying to know that before now, you are on the right track. Please don't forget to comment on this section, on the comment section rather, as I would like to hear from you. Okay, is it not amazing how burnt plantain peels and palm kernel heads can give us something edible like this? Something ordinarily you would have thrown into trash. But remember, I always say nothing is a waste in agriculture. Especially this part of it is wonderful. God is really awesome for giving us this wisdom and understanding of the importance of this to our system. Is really amazing. Guys, I love Africa. I love Nigeria. One more thing, please. This Ngor can be stored in liquid form like this. That is, after adding water, sieve it, then transfer into a bottle, cover it. This can last up to 6 months to 1 year before you can say is due for change. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. I love you guys from this end. Bye. Did you say bye?
Yeah,